Hey everyone, let's just hop right into this week's video. If you didn't see last week's video of me reviewing a watercolor lettering kit that I purchased from Creative Market, then I would recommend you go back and watch that video first, because this video is just going to be me showcasing how I use it to letter and how I blend. And in this video, I actually am only going to be using 2 of the brushes. So the lettering that you see me doing right now, I am using the That Main WC2 brush. So that's what I'm using right now, and I am switching in between the colors, as you can see me doing here, and I'm just using the little drag and drop tool where I can just hold down and it picks up that color. We all saw last week how many awesome brushes this watercolor lettering kit comes with, but for the tutorial and showing how I used it, I really just wanted to simplify it as much as possible and to show that with just 2 brushes, you can make an awesome final product. Now I have switched to the blend mode on Procreate, and I'm selecting the layer that my lettering is on. And in the blend mode, I have picked out the brush Wet Blend, which again comes in this watercolor lettering kit. This is one of those scenarios where you just have to go with your gut, and what I'm doing is I'm just pushing the brush back and forth to blend the 2 colors together, and I like to blend the colors into each other. So not only do I want to be blending the darker blue into the green, but I want to be blending the green into the darker blue to give it that realistic watercolor blending look. And then you do this for every letter, so I am going to stop talking and put on some music while I finish up blending these letters. And there we have it. We have finished blending, so I'm gonna deselect it so that way I can just go through and make sure that I have blended everything that I need to. And this is where I realize I forgot to blend that T. So after I zoom out, I'm going to realize that in just a second. Now I'm gonna zoom back in, like I said, and blend that T. And I didn't select the layer just because I'm able to make the brush small enough to where I can just quickly blend that, as you see here. So how do you feel about the finished product? I think that, again, this is absolutely beautiful. The texture comes in the lettering kit. So again, if you haven't seen my last video that shows all of the brushes, I would encourage you to go take a look, because I'm zooming in now and you can just see, I mean, it is just so gorgeous. And it only took a few minutes and 2 brushes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Until next time, stay bossy, y'all.